Good morning, Monarchs, and welcome back to the Moore Morning Show. I'm Julian Huffine.
And I'm Bruce Ramirez. We've got a great show for you lined up today, starting with the more you know.
And finishing up with the Roar interviews.
Let's get started.
This week's word of the week is gratitude.
Gratitude means the feeling of appreciation for what one has, whether it's a gift, kindness from others, or simply the experience of life. Being grateful can be as easy as giving someone a hug or thanking them verbally.
Try showing gratitude this week, Monarchs. Recently, all of the Monarchs had a first quarter assembly for each grade. In the assembly, we celebrated our Moore athletes for volleyball and softball, gave our outstanding students some recognition, and we played some fun games like modifying teachers and a dance-off. Monarchs were also recognized for the effort, kindness, and respect. Additionally, some were given the Monarch Award. One of these people was Mila Clark.
What's your take on the school year so far?
It's pretty good. I made a lot of new friends this year. It's really fun. My teachers are really good. Moore's just like a really good school.
She said that so far she has been enjoying this year and hopes to continue doing well in school.
Additionally, last week was the Spooky Spirit Olympics took place, hosted by Webb to give 6th graders a chance to have fun and play games. Each class had teams that played a selection of games, and they all cheered loudly for their classes. Here's what one student thought of the Spirit Olympic.
I think that they've been really fun. I was really enjoying the one on the stage right now.
What do you think of the Web leaders?
I like them. They're really nice and they're really good to all of the students.
The Spirit Olympic was fun, and many 6th graders enjoyed it. In the future, Webb will also be hosting more holiday or season-themed games.
Moving on, it's time for the weekly bulletin.
Good morning, Monarchs. I'm Harper Fortune, and I'm bringing you the weekly bulletin so you can stay informed and stay ahead. This week's Avid College of the Week is Pepperdine University, a private Christian college in Malibu, California. Known for its commitment to purpose, service, and leadership, Pepperdine inspires students to make a difference in their communities. It's only about a 2-hour drive from Medlands. Their colors are blue and orange, and their mascot is Willie the Wave. So show your spirit by wearing their colors next Thursday. Join us next Friday for our Friendsgiving during lunch. Enjoy delicious pancakes from the pancake truck, fun games, and so much more. You can purchase your tickets from the 5-Star store. Our Avid Canned Food Drive is starting soon. Please bring non-perishable food items to support families in need. It's not clear where to turn in the food yet, but make sure to bring your food on the 17th. Get comfy for PJ Day next Wednesday. Wear your favorite pajamas to school and participate in the fun. Remember to keep it school appropriate. Don't forget our home game next Wednesday at 4 p.m. Come out to support the team as they take on our rivals. Let's show our team spirit. Join us for Chipotle night next Monday. A portion of the proceeds supports our school. Make sure to mention our school when you order. Thank you for your attention and have a great week. Make sure to stay informed and stay ahead. I'm Harper Fortune, and back to the anchors.
Thanks, Harper. Teachers, if you'd like to pause the video here and continue with the lesson, this is a great stopping point.
If you're up for more, don't go anywhere yet. Coming up next, we got a story about the teen art contest.
And to wrap things up, we'll bring back the Roar interviews, where our Monarchs share their thoughts on select themes and topics.
Everybody's growing up. Yeah, we're all growing up. Everybody's growing up. Yeah, we're all growing up. Everybody's growing up.
That was an awesome photo. Thanks, Lani.
A big thank you to our yearbook team.
Recently in Redlands, a teen art festival took place.
Participants submitted art with the theme of the Day of the Dead to be judged. Our own Amy Zhou entered, and she came back with some news.
Take it away, Amy.
On November 1st, at the AK Smiley Library, bright colors, music, and creativity filled the room. Students from middle and high schools across Redlands Unified School District, including Moore Middle School, came together to celebrate Dia de los Muertos through art, culture, and community.
So we have a member of our library board, her name is Rosa Gomez, who about 3 years ago suggested that we include a teen art contest as part of our Dia de los Muertos celebration, and I was asked to run it, and so we started doing it, and every year since, the contest has just blown me away. The pieces that are entered, we're so honored that students spend so much time and have so much talent to share with our community, and we're so proud to show them off here at the art show.
The annual Teen Art Contest invited students to honor loved ones through their work, each piece a reflection of family, tradition, and the stories that live through generations.
I think all of the pieces, whether they won an award or not, were so special, and reading the artists' statements where they wrote kind of explaining what their piece was about really was touching, and I really enjoyed all of the pieces.
Outside the library, the celebration continued, with dancers, singers, food booths, and music filling the air. Families gathered to remember, celebrate, and share a moment of connection. For many students, creating art was a way to reflect on the things that inspire them, a quiet expression of appreciation for the past.
Oh, yo soy mexicana.
Yo también.
And I represent my culture. El Día de los Muertos is very important to us. We celebrate that is just to remember our loved ones.
From the creativity inside the AK Smiley Library to the celebration outside, this Dia de los Muertos reminded students across Redlands that remembrance can be joyful. A big thank you to all the Monarchs who participated in the contest and shared their time and talent. I'm Amy Zhou reporting for the Moore Media.
Thanks, Amy. Moving on. After a long wait, we finally brought back the Roar interviews.
The Roar interviews are where we interview students and ask them questions about our theme, which this week is gratitude.
This week, Ruby Perez is going to be interviewing students about what they're grateful for.
My name is Haley Yinda, and I spell it Heli.
My name is Jeremiah, and you spell it Jeremih.
Mackenzie Adams, Mackemzie.
Scott, Scott.
Anya, Ania. Well, they were in 8th grade last year, but I think that the person I will most remember is probably my sister, because I joined mid-year with her. So we were like both starting new school together.
Someone I always remember is my friend Austin Curry. He's just a really good friend.
Probably Haley Grace Story, because me and her have been best friends since like the 2nd grade, and we're like really close.
I will always remember my best friend Luis Enriquez, even though he moved schools. He was my first friend when I moved to Moore, and I still hang out with him.
Someone I always remember from Moore is probably Miss Martin. She's a 6th grade teacher, and I had her when I was in 6th grade. She's a very kind, caring teacher, and that's why I'll always remember her. She's one of my favorites.
Thanks, Ruby.
Well, that's it for this week's Morning Show, Monarchs. A big thank you to everyone who made the show happen. We couldn't have done it without you.
Finally, remember to show effort,
kindness,
and respect.
And go Monarchs!
Woo!
Let's go!